Hey guys, hey good people. Today is check your engine oil day. Easier to do it in the morning before you start your car up, but definitely go ahead and check your engine oil. I had a customer bring their car in. They had like a quart of oil. The engine was running horrible. None of the vanless was just not working because there just wasn't enough oil pressure. He actually had like a quart of oil. I was surprised the car came back to life. But today, good people, check your engine oil on your Mini Cooper.